Welcome to the video channel of DigiSales. Today in this video I would like to show you the newest version that is coming up. On the newest version, when you click on sales by stock, you are going to have all the functions to sell showing. All you need to do to sell is to type the name of the stock, select as usual, enter the quantity, change the date on which you are selling it. Either if it's a current sales, you can leave the date current. If it's an old sale, you change the date from here. When you are done, add to cart by clicking on this blue button. And when you add to cart and you keep adding and you are okay, you could stop. Here is where you enter customers' contacts, working contact if you want to register them. This is where you perform all your reversal. We have two types of reversal in DigiSales. A reversal that is done when sales is not completed, and reversal that is done after sales. You do it here. This is where you perform all your tax calculation on the sales, and then the amount that was taken will be entered here. So this item that I'm selling is 1500 and 700, 7 cedi. Yes, so you enter the amount that was taken. This is the change area. This is the condition of the item that we are selling, and this is the sales mode. Then you click here. Sales is completed.
Thanks for shopping.
With this newest version that is coming up, you don't have to flip through when selecting the precondition of your sales. Everything is just on one page. Just select and go. You are done. Thank you for watching this video.